I'm Adrian Outlaw.
And I'm Patrick Curry, and we've been roommates now for about 3 years.
I remember when I first came into college, I was feeling really nervous, and then when I got here, I was very much introverted, so I didn't really talk to my roommate as much. But thinking back on it, all it really required was just a simple conversation.
And for me, I was kind of, taking the same approach that I do now, just being open to exploring new things on campus, just meeting new people, just because I was away from home and in a new environment.
Yeah, building off of that, like some advice I would give is just make sure you're getting out, meeting new people. Like when you first get here, you'll have a freshman orientation event. When you're there, just simply just reach out to somebody and just be like, hey, and try to connect off of that.
Yeah, that's like what I would say too. Just be open to meeting new people. You never know who you'll meet, and I think that you can, just build like real good connections through just not being afraid to reach out and say, "Oh, I'm Pat. Who are you?" and just getting to know people.